do something fun today!
Guys, we got some fruits!
Wow, the fruits that look so delicious! Look at all this fruit, boys! Let's sort them! I'll go first! Wow, guys! This is a red color apple! It goes in a red color crate. Well done, guys! We completed the first color crate!
Now it's time for banana.
Guys, this is a yellow color banana.
Hello, banana. How do you do? The yellow banana goes in the yellow color crate.
It's my turn, friends. Let me pick a fruit. Wow, guys, it's a green color pear. Come on, guys, let's put it in the crate. The pear goes into the green crate.
Well done, guys! We finished 3 boxes! Guys, this is an orange color fruit. It goes in this color crate.
Hey, Lily, it's a wrong color crate. It's a wrong one, Lily.
It's my bad. I didn't saw that, guys. It goes in this orange color crate.
Now it's my turn. Let's take these purple colored grapes, guys. Grapes goes in purple color crate. This is the last crate, guys. Let's finish it.
I'll take this strawberry.
Wow, guys, it's a pink color strawberry. It goes in pink color crate.
Well done, guys. We also finished the last crate. The fruit basket is empty now.
We have successfully completed our task, friends. Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Bye.
Hey, Mia, what are those eggs? What are we going to do with them?
Guys, let's break this egg and see what's inside. It's going to be so much fun.
Hey, Mia, I want to open this egg first.
Guys, it's a letter A. And A for airplane. Guys, now let's open this egg.
Guys, it's a letter B. And B for butterfly. Hey, Mia, what about this blue egg? Let's open it.
Guys, it's a letter C. And C for cake.
A, B, C, sing with me. Learning ladders happily. Clap your hands and shout hooray.
Hey guys, look what I found here.
Guys, it's a letter D. And D for dolphin. Dolphin, dolphin, jump so high, touch the waves and kiss the sky. Guy, I really like this orange egg. Let's open it. Oh yeah, guys, there's something in the egg.
Guys, it's a letter E. And E for eagle.
I want to open this egg. I want to open this egg. Wow. Guys, it's a letter F. And F for flamingo. Did you know, guys? Flamingos can stand on one leg for a long time. D for dolphin, E for eagle, and F for flamingo.
I want to open this now. Guys, it's a letter G. And G for guitar.
Come on, guys, let's dance together.
Come on, guys. This is the last egg. Let's open it. Guys, it's a letter H. And H for hat. Cowboy hat for riding fast. Rain hat when the clouds roll past.
Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Bye.
Come on, kids. Let's learn about numbers today.
Oh no! The vehicles are parked incorrectly.
Come on, guys. Let's park the vehicle correctly by the numbers below. Let's find the correct number vehicle first. Where could they be? I can't find them anywhere. Oh, wow! I finally found one. Look, guys, it's that fire truck. That's the number 1 position.
Number 1.
Well done, guys. There are 9 more. Let's do this. Is there any vehicle here? Oh, yeah! Look, guys, I found a police car. That's the number 2 position.
Number 2.
Guys, I found the school bus. Goes here, and it's in number 3 position.
Come on, let's find more.
Found one. I love my little garbage truck. It's my favorite toy. It goes number 4th place.
Number 4.
Guys, look! I found an ambulance. It goes in 5th place.
Number 5.
Guys, I found an excavator in the sand pit. It goes in the 6th position.
Number 6.
I got you, tractor. It goes in 7th place.
Number 7.
Hi, guys. I'm number 7. Nice to meet you.
Here is a truck. It goes in 8th place.
Number 8.
Guys, I found a race car. It goes in 9th position.
Number 9.
Guys! It's the monster truck! It goes in number 10th place.
Number 10.
Well done, guys! It was so much fun playing this! Wow! We have a surprise gift!
Come on, open it now.
Wow! It's an animal zoo playset!
But where are the animals?
Friends, I found them.
Now let's place these animals in the park! Kids, look! It's a lion! It goes here.
Wow, that's awesome. Yay!
I like this wild animal. Kids, it's a tiger.
Let's go again.
What do we have here?
Kids, I found a bear.
Let's place you here.
I would like to place this animal. Look, kids, it's an elephant. Here you go.
I like the pattern on this animal. Name is Giraffe. Well played, friends. Let's continue.
I like this wild animal. Guys, it's called Cheetah. Cheetah, time to go home.
Guys, I got the strong animal. Here come the rhinoceros. It's your place, Rhino.
I have a beautiful animal here. It is called Zebra.
It's done, friends. We placed all animals.
Bye-bye, friends. That was so funny, guys. I had so much fun.
Oh no! All the Peggy dolls have mismatched heads.
Let's connect them with the right heads.
Let me try first. Let's remove this head and add this head to this peg. Guys, the red-colored Peggy is finished.
Let's me change this Peggy's head. Remove this head and add this head to Peggy. Guys, the yellow-colored Peggy is finished.
Now it's my turn. Guys, we have successfully completed the violet color Peggy. Come on, Daz, we have a lot to do.
Good job, Lily. Now let's change this Peggy's head. This head goes here. Guys, the orange-colored Peggy is finished.
Is this head correct? Guys, the blue-colored Peggy is finished.
I will find you a perfect head. Guys, the green-colored Peggy is finished. Guys, we matched all the Peggy